Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post comments on Instagram story. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram application. Now, after opening Instagram, you will get an interface like this. Now from Instagram, let's go and view a story. So as you can see, I'm currently viewing a story and I'm going to skip ahead to a story where I can make a comment. Now, this is a story where I can make a comment. All you have to do is find this icon on the lower left corner. So this is the comment icon. And in the middle, you can message the user if anything you want. So as you can see, I'm sending message to the user. And if you send this one, then it's gonna love the post. And if you press this one, that means you are trying to share the story with someone. So here we go. I'm going to press this button and then I'm going to be able to comment. So as you can see, you can add comment to this post. So if you add comment to this post, then all the other people viewing this story will be able to see the comment. So I have typed a comment and now I'm going to post the comment on this story. So as you can see, I have posted the comment. Now, if anyone else is viewing this post, they will also be able to see my comment. As you can see, my comment is in this story, but the comment is going away, so I'll refresh. As you can see, here's the comment. So if you want to comment, make sure that you want people to see your comment and the user has enabled commenting option on their story. Just like if I go to this story, it has comment option enabled. But if I go to another story, there is no comment option. There's only send message, love button, and share button. So the user also has to enable the comment option in their stories so that you can comment on their story as well. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.